tell you about literacy. What is literacy? Literacy is the ability to read and write. Now we are going to talk about the importance of literacy. 1. Adults need stronger literacy skills. To raise children who have strong literacy skills. Children of low literacy parents enter school less prepared. 2. To be good employees, workers must be able to read safety regulations and warnings so they and their co-workers can be safe on the job. 3. To keep ourselves and families healthy. Understanding doctor's order, calculating how much medicine you should take, reading diseases prevention pamphlets. Number 4. To avoid crime. There is a clear correlation between adult illiteracy and crime. More than 75% in federal corrections institutions did not graduate from high school. 5. To be active in our communities. 6. To advocate for themselves and avoid human rights abuse. Thank you. That's the lecture we can take today. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.